Can parents monitor social media activity and messaging on their child's iPhone?
Hello and welcome. In today's digital age, keeping children safe online has become a priority for many parents. With most children now owning smartphones, one common question that comes up is, can parents monitor social media activity and messaging on their child's iPhone? The answer is yes, and we're here to guide you on how to do that effectively.
Why monitor your child's iPhone?
First, let's talk about why monitoring your child's iPhone is important. While smartphones and social media platforms can be valuable tools for communication and learning, they can also expose children to risks such as cyberbullying, inappropriate content, and online predators. As a parent, being aware of your child's online activities can help you protect them from these dangers.
Using built-in iPhone features.
Apple provides built-in features for parental control on the iPhone. You can set content and privacy restrictions through screen time, a feature in your device's settings. This allows you to block or limit specific apps, prevent iTunes and App Store purchases, restrict explicit content, and manage privacy settings. However, it doesn't allow you to directly monitor your child's social media activity and messages.
Using third-party parental control apps.
To get a more detailed view of your child's online activity, you can use third-party parental control apps. These apps offer a range of features, including monitoring social media use, tracking messages, setting time limits for specific apps, and more. Some well-known parental control apps that are compatible with the iPhone include Custodio, NetNanny, and Norton Family. Remember, while these apps can be useful, they should be used responsibly. It's important to respect your child's privacy and to use these tools as a means of ensuring their online safety, not as a method of spying.
Open communication is key.
Lastly, the most important aspect of safeguarding your child's online presence is open communication. Discuss with your child about online risks, what they should avoid, and how they should react when they encounter problems. Encouraging your child to share their online experiences with you can make a big difference in their online safety. And that wraps up our guide to monitoring your child's social media activity and messaging on their iPhone. We hope this information helps you make informed decisions in protecting your child's online safety. Remember, technology is a tool, not a parenting substitute. Use these resources wisely and always prioritize open and honest communication with your child about their online experiences. Thank you for watching, and stay safe online.